Here are 3 things that successful people do that unsuccessful people don't do, but if they were willing to do them, they could experience success as well. First is they create a success path. If you don't know where you're going, you'll never get there. Unsuccessful people just live day by day. Successful people create a 3-year plan, a 5-year plan, a 10-year plan, and they do not quit until they've reached that goal. Then they can make adjustments after that. That's the first one. The second one is they stay consistent. Consistency is huge. They do not get distracted. They do not allow anything to hold them back. And the third is they know 100% their success is based off of them. They do not become the victim. They don't look for somebody else to blame. They know that if they're going to achieve that success path and stay consistent, they have to learn new skills. They have to create that winning mindset. And I will tell you what, if I go back to September of 2022, when I was stressed and overwhelmed and super disappointed in myself, I kind of was playing the victim. I was like, maybe I'm too old, maybe I can't do this, maybe these were the cards I was dealt. I mean, I was trying to be like that because that's easy to stay like that. And then when I discovered this blueprint, it gave me a success path. I set a 3-year plan and I stayed super coachable. I stayed super consistent. I was not going to quit until, and I didn't let anything distract me. And I would look at myself in the mirror every day and be like, you will be successful because of you, or you will not have success because of you. And that allowed me to push through the things that were holding me back. And I will tell you what, it's so worth it, my friends. And what I love is there is not one thing that successful people do that you can't do. You just got to be willing to do willing to do what successful people do. So hopefully that helped you. And I am telling you what, if you want more out of life, that's because you were meant for more. Have an awesome day.